In an age where craftsmanship is making a powerful comeback, mastering the art of joinery has become more than a technical pursuit. It's a gateway to creative fulfillment, educational growth, and even economic empowerment. The rising trend of mastering joinery, easy and smart woodworking hacks for stunning results, is more than a passing interest on DIY blogs or weekend projects. It represents a deep cultural shift toward learning practical, hands-on skills that offer both artistic satisfaction and real-world value. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Today we will explore the educational and economic impact of mastering joinery through accessible woodworking hacks ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. As people explore these techniques, either as hobbyists or aspiring entrepreneurs, they are not only building beautiful wooden pieces, but they are also building a foundation of self-reliance and craftsmanship that can lead to sustainable income and personal enrichment. The educational value of mastering joinery cannot be overstated. This fundamental woodworking skill serves as a cornerstone of traditional and modern carpentry alike, teaching individuals to understand structure, symmetry, and the interaction between different wood types. It promotes critical thinking and attention to detail, turning each piece of wood into a learning opportunity. For young learners, DIY enthusiasts, or adults looking to develop a hands-on hobby, joinery offers an accessible yet intellectually stimulating path. The growing number of online tutorials, community makerspaces, and social media platforms showcasing woodworking hacks has made learning joinery more approachable than ever before. These hacks, designed to simplify complex tasks, don't dilute the art, they amplify it, making once intimidating methods feel within reach. Educationally, this builds confidence, encourages experimentation, and cultivates an appreciation for craftsmanship in a world often detached from the materials that surround us. On an economic level, the rise of smart woodworking and joinery hacks is creating a new class of creators who are not only learning but monetizing their skills. The market for handmade, custom, and functional wooden pieces is growing steadily, and consumers are increasingly seeking items that reflect care, skill, and authenticity. From minimalist shelves and handcrafted furniture to customized cutting boards and home decor, products made using solid joinery techniques stand out in both durability and aesthetic appeal. This demand creates real opportunities for woodworkers, especially beginners or small-scale creators working from home, to turn a side hobby into a profitable venture. Learning efficient joinery methods allows for faster production without sacrificing quality, which in turn opens the door to scaling up, fulfilling more orders, and increasing profit margins. A beautifully joined piece not only holds together, it holds value, and in a competitive marketplace, craftsmanship speaks louder than any marketing gimmick. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. At the intersection of education and economy lies empowerment. Joinery, when approached through easy and smart hacks, becomes a democratizing force. One doesn't need a fully outfitted workshop or decades of apprenticeship to create meaningful and marketable work. With basic tools, some scrap wood, and a commitment to learn, anyone can begin crafting high-quality pieces. This lowers the barrier to entry into the world of woodworking, particularly for individuals in underserved communities, students with limited resources, or career switchers seeking a more grounded and rewarding livelihood. The cost-effective nature of many joinery hacks further enhances this accessibility. With clever jigs, guides, and unconventional techniques shared freely online, even complex joints can be executed with minimal expense, reducing the economic risks typically associated with crafting ventures. Moreover, the cultural resonance of handmade wooden items, particularly those assembled with visible, clean joinery, has added another layer to this trend. People are gravitating toward furniture and decor that tells a story, items that reflect the maker's touch and carry a sense of durability and intention. This emotional connection drives sales and loyalty in ways that mass-produced goods cannot replicate. Joinery, as a visible mark of craftsmanship, becomes part of that narrative. It's not just how the piece was made, but that it was made by someone who cared enough to do it right. For woodworkers, this presents an opportunity to not only profit, but to take pride in the emotional resonance of their work. Customers aren't just buying a table, they're buying into a value system: quality, integrity, sustainability, and timelessness. Sustainability, in fact, plays a crucial role in the joinery revival. As people become more environmentally conscious, interest in durable, repairable, and upcycled wooden furniture is growing. Joinery, when done correctly, allows for the assembly of items that last longer, require fewer resources to repair, and resist the throwaway culture that plagues much of modern manufacturing. By mastering these techniques, woodworkers contribute to a more sustainable economy, one that values longevity over disposability. Even small-scale artisans can play a role in this shift, crafting long-lasting products from reclaimed or responsibly sourced wood, adding environmental value to their economic model. Customers, in turn, feel good about supporting businesses that reflect these principles, reinforcing the economic cycle for conscientious makers. In many ways, mastering joinery through smart hacks is the embodiment of the "work smarter, not harder" mantra adapted for the maker economy. It respects the depth of traditional craftsmanship while embracing the convenience and accessibility of modern innovation. Each successful project adds a layer of confidence to the builder, encouraging them to try more ambitious techniques, invest more in their tools and workspace, and possibly even transition from hobbyist to professional. This creates a ripple effect in local economies, from supplying raw materials and tools to developing online storefronts, social media engagement, and workshops. Ultimately, the impact of learning joinery through accessible, smart hacks is felt in classrooms, garages, workshops, and online storefronts across the globe. It fuels a resurgence in making. Making as learning, making as earning, and making as living. These techniques equip individuals not just with the skill to assemble wood, but with the confidence to assemble better lives, built on the values of craftsmanship, sustainability, and economic independence. In a time where many feel detached from tangible creation, mastering joinery reconnects us, not only to materials, but to meaning. And from this connection grows not just beautiful furniture, but thriving, purpose-driven futures. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked accessible woodworking hacks ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.